Hi all, hope you all are doing great. I actually visited Shilparamam. Shilparamam, for people who don't know, it's a tourist place in Hyderabad. It's actually, you get all the handmade items and crafts and crockery items, and everything is handmade. And you get a good jewelry, you get good tops, and you get all ethnic like pearls. You get pure pearl sets there. You get different designer furniture there. Open throughout the year, but December you have an exhibition going on. So pics or some kind of video clip in this video, so you can have a glance. If you are new to Hyderabad, it's a must place to visit, so you can actually enjoy the weather there, the place, the ambience. You can actually get many items in a reasonable price because the direct sellers come there and they actually sell these. You with the haul what I've got. This skirt, if you can see this, it's actually very nice, a nude brown color skirt. You have good flower detailing here, and you have velvet, velvety one here, so that's, I just love this cut. So you can pair it up with a black top, or a white top also goes well on this, and I just love this. And guess what, I just got it for 200 rupees. The person in the shop actually told me it's like 550 rupees, but I bargained. Well, you have to bargain because they give you overpriced money on any products. You have to be very good at bargaining. I am not good, but still I tried my best. So I got this one for 200 rupees. I just love this top. This is the top you have in different sizes. I was lucky to get mine. And you have this lace, and this is full hands, and you have this is the one. I just loved it. And I also got the second one in the same pattern but in a different color. This is little minty color. So this is the second top I've bought. You have the same lace designing here, and the cloth is so well, it's so nice actually. I think most of these products are branded and which are rejected in the production because of some minor issues. Good quality stuff which I bought. You have to select there. You have random tops there. What I have bought for myself is this one, the pink one. I actually loved it the way it is. You have these buttons, you have this full hand, and you have this elastic over here, and you have this complete floral pattern. I just loved it. It's so nice, and this is so nice. I just like this one. And the fourth top and the last top I've got is this one, which I'm wearing today. So this is the blue top, which I have it here. So this is the blue top, and I loved it. This is the same pattern as this one. The shop guy was quoting it for 550 rupees, 600 rupees, so I bargained it, and I thought it was still overpriced. I thought these are okay for 250 rupees, but I couldn't bargain much, so I thought I'll pay him. So I paid like 300 rupees. Couple of shawls, scarf for myself. I just loved it. The store guy, they had different, the complete store was of all types of scarf they have, and this is the first scarf. I just loved it, the color and the way it is. Other one which has a butterfly on top of it. I'm not opening it. It's actually made of pure cotton. So this is second one I have bought. So this is multicolor. You can pair it up with all type of color dresses. So this is the third scarf I bought, and the fourth scarf I bought is this one. My sister loved it so much. You have this nice flowers on top of it. It's kind of creamish, pinkish one. You have this polka small dots on top of it. This is bargain. He's quoted for 250 rupees, but I finally tried to manage it for 100 rupees each. And safe. but the quality was so nice. I just loved this scarf. I always wanted a dark color pinkish scarf. 300 rupees, that was the best deal in the scarf shop I've made. The pot, I thought this will be very good for my makeup brushes to. So this is the painting. This is the one I got for my makeup brush holder. So I'm so happy with this purchase. And this is environmental friendly. It's not plastic. It's made of mud and multani mitti. It smells okay. So the painting is so nice. I especially bought this for the painting because it's handmade and it's so nice. And this was for like 350 rupees and I bought it for 150 rupees. I actually went to buy I saw that their store had dream catchers and all those stuff. I don't have a dream catcher, so I always wanted to buy one. So if you can see in it, it's so beautiful. It's pinkish and lavender purplish. You have pearls detailing over here. So this is the one. I'm not sure if my camera is picking up. I think we paid like 200 rupees for this one. Only this one. It's a store where I picked a few jewelry, antique ones. So I just love this one. So this is the one. I just loved it. It's so nice. It's antique as well as it's actually you have this threading here, which is handmade. So I just loved it. They have different colors, different shapes, and you have with only the one thread, with not this much designer ones, but you have many. I liked this one. And these earrings, I just love these earrings so much. I bought and I paid 500 rupees for these, both this earrings and the necklace there. So I just love these. This is the one. So this is the one. I don't remember the price. I think it was like 50 rupees or 100 rupees. And then I brought these, which are traditional ones. I think every Hyderabadi would have one with these pearls. So I didn't have one like this, so I thought I'll buy one. And then I bought a small one for my niece. So this is the small one which has sun on top of it. And then I bought this ring. So I just loved it. This was like 50 rupees, I guess. So it was so nice. Just loved it. They have so many different colors. They have in matched one of my lehengas, so I thought I'll buy one. And then I bought these two earrings. I always like hand rings. I love them. So I actually bought these two. They were 20 rupees each. And I thought this was pink when I picked up, but when I came home and checked it, it was orange actually. I don't know why, maybe the lighting. I thought it was pink, so I picked this one. This one was okay. I thought it is turquoise color, but this one I thought pink, but it turned out to be orange when I came home and checked this one. But still I loved it. The pattern of hearts and all, it was so nice. And then I bought this bracelet, bangle type one. So this one, handmade bangles. They also showed me how to make these bangles there with their tools what they had. I just love these bangles. They're so pretty. I just wear them and show you. It's all made of mitti. So they're not glass bangles, they're made of ones. They were 100 rupees each, but we finally bought like for 300 rupees we bought 4 pairs. So each pair was 100 rupees, but we paid like about 70 rupees, 75 rupees for each. So it was okay because it was so nice, and especially it is handmade, so I just love these ones. And so that's all what I purchased in Shilparamam. So if I can try to put all the shop numbers, but they actually change the shop numbers after the exhibition. So you can just go there and shop it randomly. You have different stuff there. I just loved it. So please visit if you're in Hyderabad. If you're not in Hyderabad, whenever you have a plan or you come to Hyderabad, it's definitely you have to go to Shilparamam, and you have loads of these items and you'd be just, you know, surprised to see all these handmade ones. So that's really nice. So that's it guys for today's haul, and till next video I upload in this. So have a great day, and also happy new year to you all. Please please like this video if you like it, and if you're new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to this channel. And you also have a small bell button beside the subscribe button. If you actually hit that, you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. So love you all and take care.